Hi, I'm Amada with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a couple of Amada press brakes. These are model RG-50s, super popular, pretty much known not only for their color, but they are the Ferraris of press brakes. Really high tolerances, and they've been known for decades and decades just like that. They're still around. They've gone into a lot of electrical type of servo actuated, but these great machines are still around. Tons of people are still using them. These have the most popular control on both of them. This is the NC9EX2 controller made by Amada. Very simple and easy to use. You can see this screens are in nice condition. All the buttons are all there in good condition. Now, what these press brakes do, in case you don't know, something like this, if you need to be able to bend or form some metal, sheet metal, you can go ahead and set it up so that it can do an automatic movement for you of the back gauge. You'll see all these on the back here. All these fingers, these move in and out, up and down, and that's what's going to allow, when you have your tooling in here, to be able to make your bend and move to the next section without you having to do any measuring. Really nice feature, makes it great for production, of course. We'll go ahead and start this machine. This particular one has a foot treadle, meaning right down here is how you're going to actuate your machine. You're going to step on it. It's going to have an up-acting press brake, which is a little bit different than a lot of press brakes you'll see. So when I set this up, we're going to see everything. I'm going to actually calibrate it, let you run through the calibration, see how that works. We'll power on the controller here. This is an up-acting press brake, so I'm going to show you that in the difference between a down-acting press brake. Now we have our controller on and set. We're going to hit L origin, which is going to move our back gauge. And you can see that's now moving to calibration. Now once that's complete, we're going to hit our hand wheel here, bring our up-acting press brake into position where we would have our stop. That's where we're going to have it stop. We'll hit D origin. That's going to set our origin. And now we're going to be ready to hit start. And our program, which is a 3-step program, is going to go ahead and allow us to actuate. We'll take the hand wheel off, hit start. We're in the CNC mode now. Drop that piece. Now every time I actuate it, you'll see the ram coming up and the back gauge moving to the next position. Now, being that the ram is coming up, there's a few pros and cons of that. You're going to have very accurate tooling in this type of machine. You can see your back gauge came up for a close bend. For safety reasons, as soon as you let your foot off the pedal, you could see it drops, which is a really nice feature. An old mechanical press brake would have to come down, complete the entire cycle before it would be able to retract. So this one has that nice feature, as most hydraulics do. This one has it even better, I think, when it drops directly down, just gravity-wise, and doesn't get in the way of anything. And you can see here on the controller, everything's working. Everything we sell is fully functional, tested out, guaranteed. We actually have Amada come in on this one, check it out, make sure everything was working properly. Very clean machines, all original paint on these two. We'll have a video of this one as well in just a few minutes. I hope you liked this one and gave you a little bit of an idea of how these Amada press brakes work. I just wanted to walk over here really quick. We're in our fabrication facility. This is our large machine and fabrication facility where we have press brakes, shears, presses. Now this is a Cincinnati press brake with a down-acting ram. So you'll see the 2 cylinders right there. This is a down-acting ram. This entire portion of the press brake is going to come down and bend your material and come back up. It has laser safe light curtains here, which makes it easy. and safe, not only for your fingers if anything gets in there. These particular light curtains actually calculate some bends, which is really, really cool on Cincinnati. This is a brand new machine. And we also have this Cincinnati, same down acting, multi-axis. This is actually a used reconditioned one from our shop here at Sterling Machinery, fully guaranteed. There's one other one I just wanted to show you since we have them all here on the floor. It's always nice to see the differences between the machinery. This particular machine is an Accurpress brake. So again, this is a hydraulic press brake, very popular, CNC, same as Amada. But you'll notice here on the back end, it has a little bit of a different actuation. It has the rear cylinders pushing up with a torque bend down. So you'll notice it has a grasshopper style movement. It's a very low profile machine. So you can see it's not very tall as compared to these other machines out here. They're much taller. Even this machine right here, this is a smaller Cincinnati. 6 foot, same size, 60 ton, just about the same thing, but you can see it's a much taller machine because it has these cylinders. So if you have a smaller shop, some of these low profile type Amadas or Accurpress might work perfect for you. You can see over here we have lots of different shears, a US industrial shear. There's a Cincinnati, very, very late model hydraulic shear. Here's one of the beasts that we move these machines around with. 30,000 pound electric, going green here, of course. Now, if you have Amada press brakes for sale, if you want to give us a call because you're looking to sell the ones you have, please let us know. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. We're always looking to buy, sell, or trade all different types of brands, all industries, anything machine, we eat, sleep machine. Let us know how we can help you. Visit sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.